So we found out why we're getting these lean codes on this Volvo after pulling all of our hairs out and going through like 4 mass airflow sensors, because we thought maybe used mass airflow sensors wouldn't fix it. So then we started leaning toward the injectors, but I didn't want to pull off the intake and go for the injectors. But I still have to pull the intake off to change this part. It's the PCV valve, and if you see it right here, I don't know why I didn't think about it, but I guess these have diaphragms that go out on them inside. That's why they're hard to see. And when it warms up, guess what? It starts to seal more. So it's really hard to find. Do you hear that? So if I spray it, see what happens. See that? You can hear it. Go a little bit closer, you can hear it. You hear it, don't you? You hear the water going in there.
Yep.
So the intake, the upper plenum is going to have to come off, and we're going to have to replace that part.
Okay.
Isn't that crazy?
Yes, and I can hear it now.
Yeah.
The other way, like, but we weren't listening for that.
No.
That particular sound. Yeah. Wow, such a crazy little thing.
See right there?
Yeah.
Listen to that. Bring it over here again.
Oh, I can hear it. I can hear it from back here.
See, I'm
actually.
putting my finger across it. Definitely a vacuum leak. Yeah. So,
Hey, what symptoms can it cause when you have a problem with that thing?
well, in our case, we don't have any real symptoms.
I mean, it was driving good. Perfect.
It drives
Drive
good,
perfect.
it starts good, there's no hesitation, no rough idling, nothing. We don't have any symptoms, but it is throwing the P0174 code for bank 2, and I think at one time it was throwing the P0171.
Right,
you know?
okay. Yep.
So, I don't know.
We'll change it out,
I was thinking PCV valve because we couldn't find a vacuum leak. It was so hard to find, so I was thinking internal vacuum leak. But that's actually more of an external vacuum leak, but it's very small, and the diaphragm behind there is probably broke, and it's just not like really easy to see when you spray it, you know?
Yeah.
So we'll go ahead and order that part for it, change it out, and we'll see how the field trims change.
Yeah.
Our long-term field trims, or they eventually went positive, I would clear the check engine light or test the battery posts to each other to dissipate the voltage and clear the long terms, and then the short terms are very positive. So that's what we have to fix first. That's obviously a vacuum leak. That's a lean condition. So